We started building furniture, it's going on almost 25 years now. We got started in the interior dining, the hardwood variety, got started in that space. We started off really small. We started building maybe 25 to 30 chairs a week, dining chairs, and then to our peak time we were building close to 750 to 1,000 chairs. So when we got approached about the possibility of doing poly outdoor furniture, we thought, this could be a pretty good fit. The poly outdoor market was getting pretty hot at the time. There wasn't really much of a learning curve outside of dealing with a different type of material, but as far as the quality aspect goes, the quality stayed the same. Our interior dining chairs were held to such a high standard, and we knew that had to be brought into our poly division. So what we try to do with our poly furniture is we hide fasteners anywhere that we can. And you can see real quick when you sit in the chair, when you look at the chair, there's just something special about it. There's a little bit extra that goes into it. One of the key components of EC Wood's poly furniture that we build too, and we like to tout, is our sustainability. All the lumber that we use is manufactured using a closed loop process, which means that no scraps go to the landfills. A lot of stuff is, that would be destined for the oceans or landfill. We send back to the manufacturer, they get recycled, and they get turned into more of the beautiful poly lumber that we build. In our busy lives, everybody has stressors that we're dealing with. The whole point of having an outdoor furniture setting is it's a way to kind of get away from all the commotion of your everyday life. And my hope is that when somebody sits in our furniture, they can really just sit back, unwind, relax, and take a load off.